Hello friends, welcome to on my channel KF Knowledge Academy. If you are watching this video on YouTube, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram also, and you can join me on Telegram channel. All links are given in the description box. Now today we will see the kingdom fungi. If you miss some video related to this topic, so you can watch all the video in I button. So I have given in the I button, you can check and you can watch that videos. Today we will see the 15 questions. So now our first question is, the body of a fungus is made up of a number of elongated tubular filaments called. The options are A1 is hyphae, B1 is Voronine bodies, C1 is mycelium, and the D1 is thallus. The correct option is C, mycelium. Explanation about the answer is, the body of a fungus except yeast is made up of number of elongated tubular filaments known as hyphae. The mass or network of hyphae is called the mycelium. Let's see the question number second, that is, in fungi, the network of hyphae is known as. The options are A1 is hypha, B1 is fibrins, C1 is mycelium, and the D1 is plasmodium. The correct option is C, that is mycelium. Let's see the question number third, that is, which of the following is a non-hyphal unicellular fungus? The options are A1 is yeast, B1 is Puccinia, C1 is Ustaligo, D1 is Alternaria. The correct option is A, yeast. Explanation about the answer is, yeast are unicellular, degenerated, non-mycelial, saprophytic fungi possessing no hyphae, but sometimes chain of buds is formed during rapid growth, which may give false appearance of a mycelium and called as pseudomycelium. Let's see the question number 4, that is, cell wall of fungi is made up of. The options are A1 is fungal cellulose, B1 is hemicellulose, C1 is fungal chitin, D1 is both A and C. The correct option is D, that is both A and C. Explanation about the answer is, fungal cell walls contains fungal cellulose or chitins. Fungal cellulose or chitin is basically made up of acetyl glucosamine. In some fungi, cellulose is also present either alone or along with chitin. Let's see the question number 5, that is, lichens shows. The options are A1 is mutualism, B1 is commensalism, C1 is parasitism, and the D1 is saprophytics. The correct option is A, that is mutualism. Explanation about the answer is, mutualism is a type of association where both the parents are benefited. Lichen shows a permanent and obligatory association between algae and fungi involving physiological interdependence. Let's see the question number 6, that is, parasitic and saprophytic conditions are more familiar in. The options are A1 is fungi, B1 is bacteria, C1 is algae, and the D1 is worms. The correct option is A, fungi. Explanation about the answer is, the fungi are achlorophylous heterotrophic organisms which cannot prepare their own food. They live as either parasites or saprophytes. However, some forms live symbiotically with other green forms. So, parasites and saprophytes condition are more familiar in fungi. Let's see the question number 7, that is, mycorrhiza is an example of. A1 is mutualistic symbiosis, B1 is parasitism, C1 is saprophytism, and the D1 is none of these. The correct option is A. Mutualistic symbiosis. Explanation about the answer is mycorrhiza is a symbiotic relationship between the fungi and roots of higher plants mutualistic. Let's see the question number 8, that is fungi shows vegetative reproduction by all of the following except. The options are A1 is fragmentation, B1 is fission, C1 is budding and D1 is acinates. The correct option is D. Acinates. Explanation about the answer is in fungi, vegetative reproduction occur by fragmentation, budding, fission, sclerotia and rhizomorphs. Let's see the question number 9, that is fungi shows a sexual reproduction by all of the following kinds of spores except. The options are A1 is conidia, B1 is oospore, C1 is sporangiospore and D1 is zoospores. The correct option is B. Oospores. Explanation about the answer is in fungi, asexual reproduction occurs through the formation of spores, for example, zoospores, sporangiospores, chlamydospores, iodia, conidia, etc. Let's see the question number 10, that is in fungi, the various types of spores are produced in distinct structures known as. The options are A1 is fruiting body, B1 is spore sac, C1 is peristomes and the D1 is pollen sac. The correct option is A, that is fruiting body. Explanation about the answer is in fungi, the various types of spores are produced in distinct structure called fruiting body. Let's see the next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11 is in fungi, the fusion of two nuclei is called. The options are A1 is plasmogamy, B1 is karyogamy, C1 is plasmokinesis and the D1 is cytokinesis. The correct answer is B, that is karyogamy. Explanation about the answer is karyogamy is the fusion of two compatible nuclei brought together as a result of plasmogamy. Let's see the question number 12, that is fungi are divided into 4 classes on the basis of. The options are A1 is morphology of the mycelium, B1 is mode of spore formation, C1 is fruiting bodies and the D1 is all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Explanation about the answer is the morphology of the mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies forms the basis for the division of the kingdom into 4 classes. Number 1, phycomycetes. Second one is ascomycetes. Third one is basidiomycetes and the fourth one is eutromycetes. Let's see the question number 13, that is phycomycetes is a class in kingdom. The options are A1 is Protista, B1 is fungi, C1 is planta and the D1 is Animalia. The correct option is B, fungi. Explanation about the answer is phycomycetes is a class of kingdom fungi. Let's see the question number 14, that is in phycomycetes asexual reproduction takes place by. The options are A1 is zoospores, B1 is aplanospore, C1 is both A and B, D1 is conidia. The correct option is C, both A and B. Explanation about the answer is asexual reproduction takes place through zoospores which are motile or through non-motile aplanospores. Let's see the last question, that is question number 15. Question number 15 is isogamous means The options are A1 is similar in morphology, B1 is similar in anatomy, C1 is similar in morphology, female gamete is bigger than male gamete, and the D1 is similar in morphology, male gamete is bigger than male gamete. The correct answer is A, similar in morphology. Explanation about the answer is isogamous means similar in morphology. Thanks for watching this video.